walking in Lisbon today, the San Francisco-esque city of Portugal, known for its cable cars, a bridge that looks pretty similar to the Golden Gate, big hilly neighborhoods, and a love of tiles. Let's explore it together. Come on. I'm Jefferson Graham. I'm a lifelong photographer, writer, and video maker. I am your guide on today's photo walk in Lisbon. The whole goal of the channel is to take you to great places and show you how, when, and where to light up your social media with postcard-worthy shots like behind me so that you can see them at home before you get here. Cut to the chase when you arrive and snap those great shots without having to look all over town for them. Let's begin the photo walk by checking out our blog for the suggested Lisbon route. I've got the link in the description below. I recommend beginning down by the waterfront in what's known in English as Commercial Plaza, one of those great large European gathering places with a twist. For the view, stop number 2 should be Rue Augusta, bringing you right through the arch and up the elevator to the top of the arch for a killer lookout down at the plaza, the waterfront, and on the other side, the city of Lisbon. Afterwards, take the elevator down and continue north up through the streets where you will find cafe after cafe, shops, and street performers. Next stop, the lift. This is another place for a great overhead view and usually a huge crowd. I like skipping the crowds and just getting a shot from across the street of the unique building. My best photo tip is to pay the €6, get one of these, the all-day card. Get there early because the cars get really crowded. You want a primo seat by the window, sticking your camera out to get moving video shots or some great street candids that you just wouldn't be able to get any other way. Remember, number 28 takes you all around town. That is, if you can get a seat. I was able to nab cool street photography from the car. However, you can only do this if you're really early. The crowds fill up the trams, and it's really hard to take photos out the window when you're standing. So if you're late, get the map route and spend the rest of the day exploring the west coast of Europe on foot. Like our other European photo walks, trust me, the best things in Lisbon are free, and all are on the back streets where you will discover so many fine tile-lined buildings. Savor them and explore. The last stop on your Lisbon photo walk should be on your second day, the train station, and a short hop to the little city of Sintra, home to a massive old royal palace and back streets that are a whole lot of Lisbon. If you enjoyed this video, please like, please share, please comment, please subscribe, and stay tuned for more photo walk videos. Our next photo walk video from Europe will be in the Portugal town of Porto. I hope you'll watch that one. I'm Jefferson Graham. Thanks a lot.